All right. Hi, everyone. This is the Quiver Podcast. And today I'm joined by Vic and Brian as well.
Hi to everyone.
All right. Great. Brian, maybe you can start by giving everyone a rundown of the results of our teams.
Okay, so let's start off with the DLSU Junior High School team. They picked up their second win today after beating NU over the weekend. They won against Adamson, so that's a good start. Unfortunately for the women's team, they couldn't follow with another win. They lost to Adamson 65-54. Let's hope that they can pick it up in the coming games. And of course, there's also the NCAA going on, and we have our brothers from the other side of Taft Avenue, CSB. They've picked up another big win after beating Mapua, the losing finalist in the weekend's opening game. They beat San Pedro in overtime, 70-65, just Tuesday afternoon. Yeah, so good start for them, 2-0. Speaking of 2-0, the La Salle Green Archers, of course, picked up a second win today, beating Adams on 82-52, and I think that's what we will discuss for the most of tonight's episode.
Yeah, we bring up a good point that we have to discuss that Adamson game. But we'll probably start with something we were talking about during the pre-production portion. It's something that worried Vic a lot. So Vic, maybe you can start by talking about what worries you about this win.
Not actually a concern, but a question of how do we set the team's identity moving forward. Kasi if we check the stats, more than half, no, 61 out of our 82 points came from the perimeter today, and that I think yun yung key stat in today's match, no. That's the telling story of the game. So even if we have a potent front line, we were able to beat Adamson from their own game, which is from the perimeter. Because as we know, itong Adamson is really known for their uh, perimeter shooting, perimeter game. But yun nga, we gave them a taste of our own medicine. So ang ano natin dito nga kayo na pinag-uusapan natin, outlier ba tong game na to na we just had a good shooting day, or is this really our identity or key to beating teams as the season goes along? So mahirap sagutin for now, but with 12 more games in the elimination round, so we'll have to see how it goes.
I think Vic anomaly naman siya kasi not every time we see 61 points na perimeter coming from the perimeter tapos Adamson only scored 52. So ibig sabihin if we didn't score anywhere else, we would have
Yari
won by
tayo.
yan yung math. Yan yung math. Yan lang
yari
yung math.
ya,
Of course
yari
the
tayo.
efficiency, diba? Mas dikit yung game pag ganun kung wala tayong ibang points. Yeah, and I also want to back it up. This is also the second game that we lost the paint battle in terms of scoring. Yun nga,
Oo, tama. Oo,
magandang
agree.
point yung
Oo.
sinabi mo eh. Kasi now it looks like it's not necessarily a bad thing that we are losing points in the paint kasi nga meron tayong weapon sa perimeter. We're living up to the Archer's nickname, which is sharpshooting. Grabe yung isang stretch in the third quarter where almost every time we shoot a three, it goes in.
Oo eh.
And Adamson
Bad
don't
trip
know
nga
what
tayo
hit
na may
them kasi
nag-mid-miss na eh.
Oo, exactly. And
Bad trip tayo nag-mid-miss na eh.
yung sinabi din ni Gio, yung parang nakascore si Marasigan but then it was a two-pointer. So
Oo,
parang
it's a
nasira.
two-pointer. Baduy. Baduy bigla yung 2 points, Baduy bigla.
Yun. So parang to me, ang hirap nga maging conclusive about what we saw in the game. Kasi obviously, it's just a second game of the season. Tapos, pwedeng naghalo eh. Ito yung sinasabi natin na kinakatakutan natin minsan with other teams. What if off night natin and then sobrang init nila. But this time, nangyari tayo pa yung mainit and then dito off night yung kabala. And speaking of, uy, Willie, long time no see.
Oo nga eh, tagal na.
Kailan ba? Mga 2
Of
hours
course,
ago?
nagulat
3
ako.
hours ago?
3 hours ago? Ang ginagawa niyo 3 hours ago?
Pinanood namin yung
Three,
ano.
three
Siyempre,
hours
pinanood
talaga,
natin tong game na Ata,
Oo, alam
mga
mo naman
ganun.
tayo,
3,
mahilig
4
tayo sa
hours
short
ago.
time.
Yun nga 3 hours Mga 3 hours. Standard yan Standard yung 3 hours. Standard.
Nako, nako.
Standard yung 3 hours Kaya natataka ako, 3 hours
Di ba, Willie, sobrang relax kanina? It was a game na hindi ka sure if this will happen time and again this season kasi nga pwedeng sinwerte din tayo and then at the same time alas yung
Oo, eh.
Adamson. It just had that different feeling for us.
Nakakamiss na rin yung tipong everything's going right for you and everything's going wrong for the other team. Yung mga ganong klase.
Sana Sunday
Oo
ganun
nga
din,
eh.
no?
Oo nga eh. Ano yun?
Sana everything.
Everything is right for us. Lahat ng mali sa kanila, lahat ng tama sa atin. Pero yun nga, I also mentioned this sa GC na um, hindi naman pa, I'm not sure if nakakatuwa is the right term, but I'm just happy that we were able to weather whatever adjustment ni Coach Nash because we know Coach Nash is one of those head coaches na magaling mag-adjust But for this one, after I think 26 ba yung first quarter? Tama ba? 26, 24 yung end ng
Parang
first
ganun. Oo.
quarter. Parang ganun It's 20 to 4 or 20 to 6. Parang
Yeah, 20 to 6.
honestly, facing Coach Nash, hindi pa ako confident na it will be like that the whole game long. Pero at yun nga, nung third quarter na on that stretch na we were really hitting those threes, slowly nakita mo na yung body language ng Adamson players na parang hapless na sila, wala nang gana. And from that point forward, I think that's mid third quarter or on the 4 minute mark ng third quarter, then sabi ko, wala na to. It's in the bag kasi wala na You can't, mo na yung players ng Adamson just like, let's just call it a day since we really can't do anything right and the Green Archers are doing everything right.
Di ba, Willie, kanina nung live, nakikita naman natin Adamson are getting their looks.
Oo nga eh. Oo.
It's just that
Yun kaya
di lang talaga nila mapasok.
yung mga yung nasabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba Brian, na if this was NU last Sunday, lahat yan pasok. Pero
Yeah,
medyo
probably
oo,
ganun.
I get the feeling na it's nice to be on the positive receiving end no of yung mga ganyan mga missed chances nila, pero you feel for them kasi alam mong pwedeng mangyari talaga sa atin yun kaya
Yeah, on another day. We are allowing 28 attempts sa paint, which is 11 more than we did. Pero yun nga, mainit kasi tayo sa labas So, I guess, di ba, strike while the
Diba?
iron
Parang
is hot.
hindi mo siya naramdaman ngayon di ba? Parang it's that similar feels on that NU game but this time around parang ang dali mong makalimutan. Hindi mo siya
Ako
napansin.
lamang tayo ng 33 points,
Oh,
di ba, sa tres.
oo.
Plus
hindi mo siya
33.
naramdaman na 'di ba parang nung Sunday nag-usap tayo, bakit ganun? Bakit paint points after paint points tong si NU? Si Palasiero nagmukhang MVP
Jokic ba?
Sunday.
Nagmukhang Jokic.
Pero ngayon parang even if Adamson's getting those paint points, the amount that we gave NU last Sunday, parang 'di ba? Parang okay lang, sige. Sige, score lang kayo sa paint. Kasi wala parang we can always do better because we have this hot shooting day.
Yeah, nung katabi ko nga si Willie di ba, may times na nakascore si Cedric Buenza sa loob. Tapos parang sinasabi na, wala, bawian na lang natin sa kabila. And ganun nga ginawa ni KQ, nila Dungo. Di ba?
Sige, mag-boost ka dito,
Si
test
Dungo
kabila.
kanina nakakatawa, no? Si Doy Dungo, kala mo hindi rookie kanina pag tumitira, no? Parang sobrang siya, parang we know he's a scorer in high school. Pero yung confidence niya kanina to shoot from the outside, iba. Parang, okay, it's just another day in the office. Parang ganun yung ni Doy Dumo kanina. Iba yung angas nung bata kanina na, I mean, he's just a rookie, but the way he shot the ball earlier earlier today, ibang klase.
He's showing that hindi luck yung rookie of the year as some are already giving out to someone.
Bakit? Sino ba leading Sino ba leading
Di ko alam,
candidate
pero
for player?
preseason, syempre, 'di ba? Preseason may mga binabanggit sila. I don't know. Maybe it's something that hits home. Maybe it's
Wala
a thing that
yan.
hits home, 'di ba?
Oo, kailangan mo ilaro yan, sir. Hindi pwedeng yan. Hindi pwedeng
Kaso
automatic yan.
balita ko, itlog pa rin sila ngayon ah. Itlog pa rin ah.
Alin?
Itlog pa rin
Sino?
ata ah.
Sinong
UE
itlog
ba
pa
yan?
rin?
UE.
UE ba yan? UE? Baka naman UE yan.
Oo
Hindi.
naman. Hindi
Kasi
natin
UE
alam.
wala pa rin
Basta alam
panalo
natin
yun.
itlog pa rin.
Oo. Bait tayo dyan.
Now, I wanna now. Obviously, we've spent some time talking about our perimeter game, the way it works and everything. Now, I wanna ask you guys as well. After that NU game where we felt like we only started playing in the fifth on the last 5 minutes of the fourth quarter, did you guys expect something like this game?
Yeah, as in I think nung tinatanong natin sa mga sarili natin about how how do we feel like going to this game against Adamson, nakita ko kasi yung write-up sa laro nila, di ko napanood yung game against FEU. Parang parehong pangit yung shooting between FEU and Adamson in the game before we played against NU. So I thought if we can just play our game, feel uh, we shouldn't feel any concerns na maano na lang tayo. Masisilat unless we give them a chance to. Ibig sabihin, we didn't really show up. But I think from the best first basket onwards, we just really stick to what we know what to do. And yun nga, I think even at times when our shots weren't falling, we stayed disciplined sa depensa. We made things tougher for Adamson. I think merong mga plays yung Adamson na nababother sila mid-air when it comes to shooting either perimeter or in the paint. Kaya even if let's say we give them those looks, na ano sila, nararattle sila because meron yung parang may hahabol na depensa mid-air and that will make them hesitate to shoot their shots. Ganyan. I think yun nga, if NU showed nung weekend na it can be done, pero Adamson also showed this in this game na if you're not confident in yourselves, which what Vic touched on kanina na parang Adamson really just lost in the motion. This is what will happen to you if you face it against this tall and apparently hot shooting LaSalle team.
How about you, Vic? Right, like our season obviously started at 9 o'clock last Sunday, and now it's a good it's a good. Do you think it like we? I'm a little bit worried that most of our predictions are not coming through, and this is it something like that's probably shows how deep we are. Like we predicted we would pound it on the inside. We went small in the first game. This one
Mm.
hardly shot it from the inside, except that those couple of hook shots from Agunane. These Green Archers are proving us wrong? And Vic, how do you feel about that?
I think yung lang din naman eh. I think that's what the defense is also paano giving us din eh. I think we should look at we are getting perimeter points because of our paint touches. Alam mo yun, if somebody touches the paint, yung defense nagko-collapse, it opens up passes for your open shooters. So I think we just reacted kung ano yung binibigay sa atin ng defense. I think for the past naman din, I think even on that NU game kung ano babalikan natin. It's just that the difference is we're not making shots against NU. We're making shots this time against Adamson. So kung titignan, that's why yung pinaka ko reflection ko after these two games is yun nga, it's important for us to really have our shots falling in. Um, I'm not saying that we're going to lose. if we don't make our perimeter shots, but mas malaking bagay if those shots are falling in kasi yun tawag ito, kita mo naman when those shots fell in, we won very comfortably. We won by 30 as compared to needing Kevin's heroics last Sunday.
All right. Ikaw, Willie, like maybe just some final thoughts on the Adamson game. I'm not sure how much more we can squeeze out of this. But Willie, you posted on Facebook kanina that this is the first time you felt so relaxed. Just go through like the motions of how you felt about this game, as especially in comparison to the past seasons.
Hmm. Ako siguro how relaxed I felt earlier was different. Similar but mostly different because before when we would build these huge leads may I'm sure you guys know this feeling na at the back of our minds, alam pa rin natin na may chance pa rin talaga and there's the danger na we can still lose this game, which has happened to us several times before. We've been burned by this on-setting complacency sometimes that gets into the Archers when they build huge leads. Pero earlier, I felt different. I felt more relaxed nga talaga. Of course, I still felt na maybe there's a chance for a comeback. Any team can come back naman. Pero just looking at how our players were responding and playing versus how Adamson was, nakikita mo is like nawala yung confidence nila. Medyo uncomfortable yung yung body language nga nila as well. I'm not sure if Vic mentioned pero ano yun, it's a good observation na nakita ko din na when they were getting those wide open looks like what Brian mentioned, parang medyo may hint of hesitation pa kasi it's either na alam mo yun, they're not confident to take the shot or and to make the shot, or there's also the element of some of them are being challenged din naman. So I felt particularly relaxed enough na nagjo-joke na nga lang kami ni Brian kanina. Like, ano yun, like, nagjo-joke na kami when si Dungo was hitting those threes and then nagjo-joke na lang tayo na, ay, panira si KQ, KJ. He missed his shot. So, it, it was that kind of enjoyable relax na alam mong sure panalo na rather than before. Yun lang naman. That end, walang nanalo na birdie
Yeah,
today ah.
we finished with ano no? We finished with 4 guys scoreless. Naalala ko, sabi ko kay Willie, oh, meron pa dito mga di
Oo nga
nakascore,
eh,
baka pwede pa. Si Rubik
yun
na
lang
lang humabol.
yung hinihintay natin. Oh, may 1 minute pa. Kaya pa humabol. Kaya pa mag-score.
Pati ano rin at this day and age, 'di ba, nung nag-preview tayo for men's basketball kung titignan mo yung landscape, every team is preparing, every team is already recruiting at this day and age. So it's really yung mga ganitong 30-point win, it's really a nice feeling and nice experience to have kasi alam mong lahat ng kalaban mo may kalibre, hindi walang madaling kalaban sa tournament natin this season. So sobrang saya ng ganitong feeling. Pero yun nga, I think we also touched this last weekend na we we need those kinds of close wins, but we also need itong mga ganitong klaseng panalo din for everybody to get the chance to get the experience to play and build that amount of confidence kasi as the season goes along, you'll never know kung sino dyan yung um, kakailanganin mo kung may magkasakit or kung may ma-injure, but syempre knock on wood, sana wala, di ba? Everybody stays healthy, pero with these experiences nga na kahit ilang minutes lang, uh, build that confidence to, if not all, um, most of our players, para at least when the time comes this season na their number will be called, at least ready sila to play.
All right. Cool. That's probably it for the Adamson game. Like very comfortable win for the Archers. It was great. It's great. Winning by 30 points was massive for us, especially after that tough game against NU, and it just shows the championship caliber of this team. Next game we have is against our favorite team, the Ateneo Blue Eagles, on Sunday at 6:30 in the evening. Now, this is not the same Ateneo team that we've come
Huh?
in the past, right?
Well,
Ang
depends
lakas
what
ni
past.
Ian
Recent past,
Espinosa.
oo.
Ang lakas ni Ian Espinosa eh. Grabe yun. Favorite ko yan
Goat,
ngayon.
goat
Galing
PG
yan.
ba? Goat
Goat,
PG.
goat, my goat point guard.
All right.
Favorite ko
Okay.
yan ngayon.
All right. What do you guys? How do you guys see this Ateneo game going? So, just round the table. Maybe Willie, Vic, then Brian.
Uh, well, as much as I want to shit on and joke on Ateneo, the truth is it's still Ateneo. Alam mo naman na they can play shit against somebody else, pero pagdating sa atin, they're always gonna play like it's the finals and it's game three of the finals where everything's at stake. So, it's fun to shit on them now for yung record nila, pero come game time, wala, we really need to take them seriously. Next.
I think for me, in as much as gusto ko magpiro, kasi naabutan ko na to na back in 1997, we were heavily favored. I didn't even watch the game. Nag, nag-mall ako. Then pag uwi ko ng bahay, talo na sa tambak. Kasi lahat ng tres ni Ateneo na. So, in as much as on paper tayo yung Yamato at going into the matchup on Sunday, ayoko masyado magbiro din. Kasi baka mamaya, ma-reverse ako eh. Baka maulit-ulit yung 1997 game na yun eh. In a rivalry game, I always believe that you really throw the stats out of the window. It's just pride. If you want to win, you will really to do whatever it takes to beat your rival. So as mentioned din nga ni Willie kanina, kumbaga the stakes are higher. So iba yung step ng players niyan eh. Iba yung energy, iba yung angas, iba yung pump up yan pag naglaro. So I think it will all boil down on composure, sino yung hindi madadala ng emotion pagdating sa kumbaga lahat naman tayo dito football fans. No? So pagdating ng mga ano, 'di ba, derby matches, 'di ba? So iba yung feeling eh. And most of the time kung sino yung mas compose, sino yung malamig ang ulo, just focuses on executing what they want to do. Yan yung mga most of the time teams that win the game. So I see as although hindi naman ako kinakabahan, I think we can be that composed with the type of veteran players that we have and the type of coaching staff that we have. Hindi naman ako kinakabahan. Tab is still tab. We can take that away from Ateneo. So far kasi two games nila against UP and Ateneo, lagi silang nadadali sa end game because of let's not sugarcoat this, yung lack of quality players, lack of materials that they have on that team. So doon lang talaga sila nagfe-fell short, but as you can see yung base ng system ni Coach Taban doon, it keeps them in the game kahit anong sabihin mo na hindi sila ganun kalakas, but they are in there for most of the game, and talagang fourth quarter lang sila bumibitaw. So for us, I really want us to see pound them from the start, from the opening tip off. If you can take the fight out of them first quarter, ito similar to what we did against Adamson, force our will against them since we have the superior or better matchup lineup wise. Sana we can do it. Hindi tayo pwede dito yung magre-relax as parang we just put on the gas at some point of the game na tingin natin pag nag put the pedal to the metal tayo at any point in the game we can easily beat them. Sana hindi ganun yung ano natin. I hope we won't be on that attitude. So yun, sana talaga the team will the Green Archers will give us a good show on Sunday.
To add to what just Vic said, tingin ko it's our turn this time to play down the rivalry, play the game and not the occasion. Kasi tingin ko syempre, Ateneo, baliktad eh. Isipin nila, okay, pound for pound, we might be inferior, but if we have the heart, we have the determination, if we have that resilience na ayaw namin patalo sa rival namin, then they will show up. And the longer it goes na may chance sila, of course, they like their chances kasi nothing to lose position sila against us who are the champions. We've been in that side before, and we managed to steal maybe one or two games like that, but not always, diba? So I think for us, clear na there's a difference in class at the moment between the two teams. So tama si Vic eh, na just show it like they did against Adamson. And dapat ganun din yung approach against everyone else. Kahit UP yan. As I mean, alam naman natin na yun nga, people are going for us. They're taking a shot at us kasi tayo yung number one team on ba, status-wise champions. Ayan, no? Let's go, champions. Valid yung shirt na yan. Kahit like pa 6 months ko na natanggap. Running joke. Ayan, so tingin ko for us, if we just play our game, tama rin, composure, and at the same time, we have enough experience. Many of our players sanay sa situations na yan. Even the rookies, some of them have gone through similar things in from where they came from, either high school or college in other schools, diba? So, dito rin makikita na at least some of our players are already getting comfortable to playing each other. Kasi syempre no preseason, nakailang games tayo no preseason, I think no one was able to keep count, di ba? Kung ilan yun, at least 50. We can say something like that. Ang tingin ko with the players, kita lang kung sino pa nag-a-adjust. We have to give guys like Alex Konov time to adjust. Parang sinabi ko nga kay Willie kanina, katabi ko siya eh. Preseason pa lang na to, probably mga 3 to 5 games, I think, for him to get used to it. But the others, it's clear. Dungo showing, even Rubico showing some glimpses. Marasigan as well, he's there. And then Agonana, people are quite wary of how he performed against NU. But that's the first game. We've seen many players na hindi naman agad nagko-contribute. But if we give them time, they will. And talking about Ateneo, I think maganda na kalaban din natin sila agad. Right on opening week. We can still say na it's still opening week kasi 1 week lang naman yung gap. Kasi parang ito yung team na it will develop as the season progresses. And 2 games in, medyo di pa rin nila alam identity ng isa't isa sa kanila. There are people who are stepping up, of course. We see them sometimes. But the thing is, yun nga, wala pang set. And then they're just trying to get themselves together as well with some of the players not also joining until late on when hindi na yata naglaro sa ibang preseason tournaments. So yun, I think it's a good time to face them. Of course, the second round matchup will be much more difficult, but I think given what we saw from both teams in their first 2 games, we should do the job, and that's what I'm hoping for this Sunday. We should uh, do our side of things and should have not much to worry about.
Yeah, completely agree with you there, Brian, and what everyone says. Especially yung ano, I'm not sure which one of you said this. I think it was Brian. Yung we were on that other side at some point in
Yeah.
our lives. Like the Marata game in 2010 was the only game that LaSalle won during my time in college. So that was insane. And I don't want this to be another story like that. Like this definitely has to be one of those games where we assert our dominance. And if anything has to go by in the preseason, right? Like one of the things that has always been said is even though Ateneo had killed us for several seasons, we had never really lost by more than 20. Like we came down fighting Ito hindi. Nung preseason, we were beating Ateneo by 30 points eh. And this might be a fantastic opportunity for us to show our class against the Blue Eagles. And I hope that that's what the team brings um, to the table. So when we talk about, of course, the Blue Eagles as our biggest rivals, we have another blue that's not a rival, which is Blue Fire.
Yan,
Oh,
tama.
yes.
Oh, the Blue Fire LPG. So for all of your LPG needs, Blue Fire is the only blue that is right for you. Anything else, guys, before we end today's fairly quick episode on Adamson and Ateneo?
May magandang question isa sa inyo kanina from what I read sa chat ba? Who will score first, Ethan Arian or Alex Conov? Yun yung mga survey na gusto ko eh. Kasi di ba, it's all about us. Wala tayong pake sa ibang team. Ayan, pwede natin tong side prediction. Before another prediction, gusto ko yung prediction ni Gio eh. It doesn't miss. It doesn't miss. Ayan, ako sagot ko si Alex Conov, tingin ko. Kasi I think he will see consistent mga blocks of time. Ikaw, Willie.
Ako abstain. May the best player win. Shoot first.
Well, basta if we win,
May
diba?
the best
If we-
player
May the best
score.
player score.
May the better player
Yung basketball
score.
hindi yung ibang score
Disclaimer
lang.
How about you, Gio? Yung prediction mo between those two players, who will score first?
It has to be Alian, only because he's from Green Hills.
Ayan.
Akala
has
ko
to be
sabi ni Gio, Jared Bahay.
Hindi, it has to be Alian. He's from
Pahiyak pa rin ni Jared Bahay.
Housewarming daw eh. Sabi sa preview kanina. Housewarming. Ayan. And then, gusto natin marinig for the record eh. Kasi, so far, 2-0 si Gio eh. So, what will be the prediction for the game?
0-2 ako.
Oh, 0-2.
0-2 ako. Yeah, 0-2 ako with what I
Gio,
predict.
gusto mo mag-0-3. Gusto mo mag-0-3.
Ah,
Gusto mo mag-0-3.
100%.
Definitely. You want to go 0.
Buti ka pa gusto mag-0-3. Yung mga taga-kabila kaya gusto nila mag-0-3.
Yeah.
So, say it, Gio, for the record, para meron tayong babalikan.
Oo, tama naman.
All right. So so thank you for listening to The Quiver. Please don't forget to subscribe to our social media pages, and do not forget to like us on Facebook and YouTube and just everywhere else. We try to be funny and we try to talk about LaSalle basketball a lot. So thank you for listening and Animo.
Animo Lasal.
Lasal.
Thank you everyone.